Guys, and welcome back to the screencast, where we're almost done with creating the static version of the landing page. So all we have to do next is add the 4 columns, and as you could see, I've already started typing it out for you. So go ahead and get up to that stage. We're going to go ahead and add in the images, and through CSS take it up from there. So let me open my CSS file. Right. And as you can see, guys, I've already gave each of them a class of the iPad Pro and everything like that. Alright guys, after you have that copied, just simply go to your CSS file and define these styles. This simply means all elements with the class of col to have a width of 25%. So if you need a 4-column layout, you would want 1/4. Each column to take 1/4. So 25% is 1/4, and make all of the cols float left. So everything within column 4 with a col will float left. So all we're going to do in the CSS file is target them and give them the background image as we've done in the previous tutorials. Alright, so now we're going to give each of the columns a height of about 200 pixels. So let's target the parent, and we're going to say all the column images to have a height of 200 pixels. That's why we give all of the A tags a class of column images. Just go ahead and do that. Alright, let's go ahead and get those images. Now that we've done one, let's go ahead and see how it looks. Out of given, see how the sizes vary. Yep, it's about the same size. Great. So we need to do one more thing, guys. We need to make the call images have a margin. As you can see in the Apple bit, it has something like a 2 pixel at the top and 1 pixel in the left and right. And there's a reason why we have only 1 pixel left and right and 2 pixels at the top. And that's because the other column would give the impression of the other pixels, and the top would have 2, so it all would look equal, and the top and bottom, especially with the footer, so it all will look equal at the end. Alright, let's give it a quick refresh. Alright, so guys, that would be the end of this tutorial. Now that we've created all 4 columns and added in all of the images, we could now move on to the footer. And as always, thank you for tuning into this screencast. And if you like it, drop a comment if you have any problems, and I'll see you in the next one.